Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. As you can see, we've got our sonic cleaner out. We're prepping everything for the calf racer at the moment in preparation to fire it up. I just realised how much.
That's a what?
We're cleaning our carbs that we want to use.
It's louder, it's louder. Yeah,
That's better.
right, stereo.
Now you can hear us. We're prepping all the calf racer bits to get ready at the moment, and we're cleaning carbs, as you can tell. The ones that I want to use, didn't realise how bad they got being sat on the shelf for
storage.
Yeah. So we
Make remember the float bowl.
yeah, we cleaned the float bowl up in the original Sonic Cleaner. Oh, I'll move it up. In the original Sonic Cleaner video. And this is the rest of the carbs. Now, as you can see, how crap they've got. So we're just cleaning this one up first, and then we'll move on to this one after. But basically,
It's like my toilet bowl.
Yeah. Oh no, you don't want that, don't you?
No, I don't.
Basically, once all these are clean, we've got some new seal kits to go in each of them.
Yeah, these are new old stock, isn't they?
Yeah, I know they've been on the shelf for a while. We've got new sparkers,
New old stock.
the coils, and we're going to flush it up out of the bike. So hopefully we're just going to set it up, not on the bench up there, in situ on the floor, with a bit of petrol. We've got a nice RV fuel tank around somewhere, it's behind you there.
I've got a lighter.
Yeah, he's got a lighter in case things don't work. And that's where we're going. So this
And there's easy start over there on that shelf.
Yes, we've got lots. So we thought we'd share this bit with you now as the calf race has gone a bit quiet. It hasn't, we've been very busy, this haven't really had time to upload. So this bit we can share, and by the end of this video hopefully you'll see her running for the first time in donkeys. But we do know this one runs. So yeah, bear with us.
Action!
Right tubers, the fresh and clean carbs have been bolted on with the new seal kits fitted. We've got brand new spark plugs.
With the Sonic Cleaner.
With the Sonic Cleaner. Yeah, if you missed how to make the Sonic Cleaner, I'll put a link in the description below and you can check that one out. Our coils are wired in with some extra wire. It's full of oil to prevent damage when we start it. And we've got an IV tank up here full of petrol ready. So we're going to give it a go now. The first start on the calf racer engine, and fingers crossed it will fire first time. Are you going to do it from there?
Me?
Oh no, I'll do it. You have to hand me the lead though, because we ain't going to both fit yet. Just live it up and give me the light.
Fucking light that up in a minute. Alright, hold that. Well, that goes with a bit of a fucking bang.
I'd poo myself.
Yeah, well, at least you can run out there. I'm stuck this side of the fence. Right, ready?
We're going to attempt to start it. Am I just giving this a little tickle at the moment?
Well, put a fucking choke on.
Oh yeah, let's put the choice choke. That way.
That's it.
Okay,
Well, it won't stay out, no. Well, go on then. There you go. Well, it does run.
We weren't lying!